This is the Personal Learning Device, or PLD Orientation for Discovery Middle School. First, let's review the PLD Take-Home Contract. This contract was something you and your parents or guardians reviewed during the registration process. First, you are responsible for returning your PLD in good condition the final week of school to avoid fines and/or replacement fees. You are the only one to use your PLD. Your PLD must be fully charged each day. If you accidentally leave your PLD at home, you will still be responsible for getting your work done. PLDs will not be loaned to students who forgot theirs at home. Learning with your PLD. Take your PLD and power cord to class in your carrying case. Look for the signs on your doors. Leave the PLD secured in your locker in the carrying case if not taking it to class. Use appropriate material for school-related projects. This would include backgrounds, images, themes, websites, video, etc. The responsible use policy will be reviewed with you at a later time by your teacher. Using the PLD as a chat tool during school is not allowed. Remember, everything you do on your PLD can be seen by teachers and administrators. Internet access. At school, you will automatically connect to the FPS wireless network. At home, connect to your home network or wireless hotspot. If you have no internet, contact the library for help. Sound and music. Mute sound during class. Use your own earbuds or headphones in class when sound is necessary. If you forget yours at home, the library will be selling earbuds all year for $1. Play music only when a teacher gives permission. Apps and extensions, and this would include games. You will not be able to download apps or extensions that your teacher does not require. Printing. Printing is expensive and not eco-friendly. Print only when needed and in black and white. If you print and nothing comes out, troubleshoot. Don't print again until you fix the problem. Otherwise, all of the print jobs you sent through will eventually print when the problem is fixed. Printed documents will have your identifying information on them. There are specific directions for adding a printer. Your teacher will show you how to do this. Prevent damage. PLD damage can be prevented. Here are a few tips. Keep your PLD flat on your desk to prevent it from falling on the floor. Stacking it on top of books or binders increases the risk of it falling. Holding your PLD by the screen, as shown below, can crack it. Always hold your PLD from the bottom. Always keep your PLD at an angle rather than flat. Do not place food and beverages by your PLD, and do not place stickers right on your PLD or put anything between the plastic cover and PLD. Leave the top and bottom plastic covers on the device. It is your PLD's protection. If you try to remove the case, there is a good chance the screen or PLD will be damaged. Leave the name sticker on your case and power cord. What if your PLD is damaged? Always report any damage or problems immediately to library staff. There is a $20 accidental repair fee for most instances of damage. Replacement cost of intentionally damaged or lost PLD is approximately $246. What if you lose your PLD? Retrace steps and check with all your teachers and in their classrooms. Secondly, if you are still unable to find it, please see a team teacher or the library staff for what you should do next. Transporting your PLD. Place your PLD in its carrying case to safely transport it home and back to school each day. Responsibility. Your PLD will support your learning, but it comes with big responsibilities you are very capable of having.